So I hope you are excited for 2025 like I am. But for now, let's enjoy the holidays with friends and family and pick up in the new year, because I know 2025 is going to be an awesome year. Let's go.